wondered why you get stuck in a habit and it becomes difficult to let go of that? Habits can be difficult to adopt, but once you catch hold of that, it is more difficult to let go. However, it takes more than desire for a habit to stick. What are those? Discipline, courage, and hard work are required on a daily basis to keep them in place. Now, what if we told you that the hard part of trying to turn a habit into a routine lasts for only 21 days, and after that, it becomes an automatic part of everyday life? Too good to be true, right? So, let us know 10 interesting facts about the 21-day rule. 1. The 21-day rule is an interpretation Maxwell Maltz wrote in his popular book about behavior, Psycho-Cybernetics. 2. Maxwell Maltz was a plastic surgeon in the 1950s when he began noticing a strange pattern among his patients. 3. When Dr. Maltz would perform an operation, he found that it would take the patient about 21 days to get used to seeing their new features. 4. He noticed that it also took himself about 21 days to form a new habit. 5. Maltz wrote about these experiences and said, "These and many other commonly observed phenomena tend to show that it requires a minimum of about 21 days for an old mental image to dissolve and a new one to form." In 1960, Maltz published that quote and his other thoughts on behavior change in a book called Psycho-Cybernetics. The book went on to become the bestseller, selling more than 30 million copies. And that's how society started spreading that it takes 21 days to form a new habit. It's easy to understand why the 21-day rule spread. The time frame is short enough to be inspiring but long enough to be believable. People wanted it to be true, so that the idea began to grow in popularity. In the decades that followed, Maltz's work influenced nearly every major self-help professional. Now, after knowing these interesting facts, you must be wondering how to apply these. Well, commit yourself to working hard for the next 21 days straight. The start is often the hardest, so sticking to your habit for the first 3 weeks could make or break your success for the year. However, if on day 22 you still feel like you have to drag yourself out of bed, please don't worry and please don't give up. It might take longer, but that time will pass anyway. You can either waste time in just wishing or make every second count working. If these sounds interesting to you,